Hi everyone, I am here to guide you to get the most out of the SAP course on SAP Talks. First of all, congratulations for joining the course. SAP is a giant in the IT industry. This course is packed with everything that you need, yet simple to follow. Whether you are a beginner or have up to 4 years of experience, with practice, you will be ready to shine in interviews and stand out on your team. Even professionals with 10 years of experience might not know this much. Here are 5 easy tips to master SAP on SAP Talks. Let's dive in. Tip number 1: set clear goals and stick to the schedule. Since you have already picked your course on SAP Talks, now make a study plan. Watch a single video for a day, understand the concept, and practice multiple times. Then, the next day, watch another video. But then practice both the last lesson as well as the current lesson. This way, you will not forget the old lessons. Spend 1 to 2 hours daily and set phone reminders to stay on track. As Bruce Lee said, I fear the person who practices one move 1,000 times. Practice regularly and you will nail it. Tip number 2: use hands on tools. SAP Talks has lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Don't just watch videos, practice in the sandbox to set up things like order to cash or pricing. Ask questions in the forums to clear doubts and learn from others. It's like learning by doing, which makes you job ready. Tip number 3: take simple notes. While learning, write down key points like how to configure Advanced ATP or use BTP. Use a notebook or an app like Notion to keep things organized. Review your notes before tests or projects to stay sharp. And this tip I always follow. Before any interview, I just go through my notes and then I am ready for the interview. Or in the projects, if you get any ticket or if you get any change request, then you can go through your notes as well, and then you will be having the whole concept in your brain. Tip number 4: practice real life hacks. SAP Talks offers case studies that feel like real work. Try solving problems with setting up MTO processes or fixing EDI issues. This builds skills that bosses love, just like I have used in my SAP projects. Tip number 5: keep learning and connect. SAP keeps changing, and SAP Talks stays updated with the latest like S4 HANA 2023. Join the weekend classes and chat with us or other learners in the community. These connections can help you get certified or find job leads. Now the truth. Since you now have access to whole course content, if I tell you that you can learn the whole course within 30 days and if you fail, then you are not going to kill me, right? However, by telling this, I create a hype around the course and end up in more students getting enrolled. But the real truth is you need time to digest the content. And after 30 days, you will get frustrated and depressed. This is what I do not want. What I want is to have a realistic plan that leads to success, not to frustration and depression. The plan that got me success. Follow the course content diligently and get the rewards that you have been counting on.